The 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, compass, fog lamps, heated driver's seat, heated steering wheel, trip computer, passenger airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.